everybody, let's work on our final block, which is called the wing block. Now, the wing block is not a traditional tongue shuttle block, rather it's a modern, adaptive, combative block. And so its only job is to protect your head from any amount of ongoing punches. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take our hand and we're going to act like we're doing the sit-up. So when we act like we're doing the sit-up, we want to close fist right on the hand, and then we turn our body away and we look through the window. And opposite, load and turn. Good, like a weird version of flexing your muscles. And reset. So it looks like as the pad comes in, I block. Good, or the opposite. Good. So not a traditional block, more of a modern combative block, but still important to learn. Cover the head and turn, or the wing block. Practice what you learned, make it rock.